Now we have a big decision to make. You know that. Not easy. Not easy. We have a very big decision to make. We have a country that's been, for 47 years, blowing people's legs off, arms off, their face. They've been knocking out ships, killing people, lots of people, not only Americans, lots of people. It's been terrible. 32,000 people killed over the last 2-3 months, protesters. 32,000. Some number of people. 32,000. They want to make a deal, but make a deal that's meaningful. I spoke with Ted Cruz, John, all of them. On the way here, I said, we got to make a deal that's meaningful. We hit them real hard, as you know, with those beautiful B-2 bombers. Recently knocked out their nuclear capability. But I'd rather do it the peaceful way, but they're very difficult people. I want to tell you that. They're very dangerous people, very difficult.